Hey, so welcome back to another video. I have a 10-minute do anywhere kettlebell workout for busy people like you. This one is so simple. I'm telling you, you can do this one outside like I'm about to do it. You can do this one in the parking lot if you wanted. You can do this one at the house. You can do this one at the gym. You can do it for a warm-up. It's totally up to you. But I want to break down every single exercise from this workout. So here's what we have today. We're going to do some squat, clean, and press. We're gonna do some kettlebell swings. They're Russian type swings. We're gonna do an American swing, which is above the head. We're gonna do 3 bent over rows on each side, and then we're gonna do 6 push-ups. Now, how this workout's gonna be is it's gonna be a 10-minute EMOM. So that's every minute on the minute. Let me explain the EMOM. It's so simple. These exercises, we're gonna complete all of them within the minute. So it may take you anywhere from 40, 45 seconds, 50 seconds to do. That way you get about a 10 to 15 second rest, and then you do it for the next minute. So let me show you what we're gonna be doing. So the first exercise, you wanna grab a kettlebell. I'm gonna be using a 20 kilogram today just for demo purposes. This is the one I grabbed for demos today. You can also use anywhere from the ranges of 6 kilograms, which is about 10 pounds, all the way up to 20 pounds for beginners. And then really for men or women, it doesn't really matter. It all depends on your fitness level and your strength. But I always try to gauge at least 12 kilograms for a lady and then about 20 kilograms for a guy or above. Totally up to you though. I never want to discriminate when it comes to weights. I think women and men, we're all at different fitness levels. We may do more, we may do less. It just depends on where you are. So find the weight that suits you. So the very first exercise we're gonna do is we're gonna hold it with 2 hands. We're gonna bring it up just like this, and then we're gonna squat, and then we're gonna press it. So when you're doing this, is you wanna make sure that you're grabbing the handles. There's different ways to do it, but this is how I'm gonna teach you how to do it today. So you actually bring it up, you're gonna squat, and then you're gonna press it, just like that. So again, you come down, flat back, chest up, clean it up, squat, and then press it. Next exercise we got are the kettlebell swings. So from this exercise, remember, your kettlebell swing, you wanna hinge at the hip. You wanna drive the weight up. We wanna keep our arms nice and straight. So I like to start with the kettlebell out in front. My hamstrings, my butt's engaged, and I'm gonna take a good swing. I want to breathe. 2, 3. I'm going to keep going just to show you for demo. Like that. So I never want to squat. I want to hinge, and I want to drive it up. So I never want to squat down. I want to hinge, and I want to drive. Next exercise is an American swing. I don't really know the history behind a Russian kettlebell swing versus an American swing. That's just what they're called. So the next exercise is an American swing. The difference is you're gonna take it overhead, just like this. So it all depends on what it calls for. So just make sure that when you are swinging it, you're still driving the weight overhead, you're squeezing your butt, you're straightening out, your chest is lifted. Next exercise that we got is a bent over row. Now with the bent over row, again, we're still hinging. We're gonna grab with one hand, and we're gonna pull it up just like this. So when I'm doing the actual workout, I'm probably gonna be moving a lot quicker, but you still wanna drive with the elbow. So from the angle, you wanna take the weight and you wanna pull. You wanna drive with the elbow. Take that elbow up, drive it up. And then the last exercise, we're gonna be doing a push-up. Now there's different variations of the push-up. You can always do them on the knees, you can do them on the toes. It's totally up to you. But when you're doing them, I just wanna make sure that everything is engaged. So you pull yourself down with tension and you drive away. You wanna pull down and then you wanna drive away. So you're pulling yourself down and you're driving away. Same rules apply when you're on your knees, is you wanna pull yourself down and then you wanna drive away. So that's pretty much the workout in itself. Everything that you're doing, just make sure that you're breathing properly, you're taking enough rest. If you need, even if you need more, the great thing about doing EMOMs is that you could turn it into an AMRAP really quick. You can turn it into as many reps as possible pretty quickly and just do the workout, because these are so great for people on the go. These are so awesome for if you're so busy. I like doing these when the kids are around because they can jump in too. They can grab their own kettlebell, they can grab their own dumbbell if they wanted, and just work along with us. So I'm gonna go through one round. I'm gonna set my watch here, and I'm gonna set it for 10 minutes. I like to use my Apple Watch. You can also use an app if you wanted. You can use pretty much anything. There's also kettlebell timers and such, but I'm gonna go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna go, and I want you to go through this with me if you can. If not, no biggie. But this is how the workout would be. I'm gonna show you what a minute looks like. Part of my breathing. Hopefully some music's running in the back, but let's go for this. So we got 3 of everything, then 6 push-ups. So, and 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna squat, and then I'm gonna press. I'm gonna clean it up. Squat, press, and press. All right, then we're gonna go right into our American swings. Well, really, it's our Russian swings. 2, 3. And then we got 1 American, 2, 3. Then we got our bent over row. 1, 2, 3. Other side. 1, 2, 3. Then we got our push-ups. 6 push-ups, really good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that gives me 15 seconds of rest. So what I will do is 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, then you hit the next round. It's as simple as that. You can do that for 10 minutes. 10 minutes, I'm telling you, 10 minutes is enough. As you can tell, I'm already breathing. It's such a great workout to do when you're short on time, when you need to push yourself a little harder. And it's so great cardiovascularly. We do these all the time in our workouts with our clients. We do them a lot in our classes. We also teach big group classes, and we program them. We have them in our programs too, in our plans, in our ebooks. Be sure to check out the description, because down there, there'll be a link to go check out our programs, as well as read everything that we offer. We have so much. If you want to work with us one-on-one, you can also reach out to that way. Send us an email. Please subscribe. Please follow. Thank you so much. If you have any comments about the workout, leave them below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can, because I'm here to help you. We want to make you strong as can be, because we understand it. We're busy people too. We're busy parents. We want people to understand that fitness is about keeping this for longevity, not just for aesthetics. It is for longevity too. So get out there and start swinging your kettlebell. I hope this workout helps you in some way, and I hope you crush it. See you later.